Today I'm going to tell you about powerful PDF editor which is anyone can use, and this is the SysTVAC. So this is the PDF editor which I use, SYSTV PDF editor. You can simply open this link and click on download option to get let me show you. It will come up on a PC and it will work perfectly fine. It will do all the tasks on your PC related to PDF editing, and this is a very powerful tool. Let me save this PDF editor to my system. So it is downloaded now. Let me run this exe file. So click on this next option, complete the PDF editor installation. Click on I accept and click on next. So you need to click on yes here. Do not show messages again. So you can open PDF, edit PDF, convert PDF, merge PDF, and you can sign in as well to your account into PDF and do other changes in your PDF using this tool. So let me open the PDF once. So this is my PDF file. Let me open it. So it has a 7 days free trial as well. So this my PDF is open now. Do any type of changes in the PDF file, whether is it over OCR support to make a second scan PDF editable or searchable. You can convert it using this tool. You can click on this edit button to make the changes. Here you can click on add content. You can type anything. Family involves, we type 5, which is very difficult in normal way. You can make any type of changes here. You can see add image, search, replace, sign into PDF, cropping is there. You can even add or remove watermark. This is a great option. You can see other options as well available here. So you can do all other changes here. Click on this, and after doing this you just need to make changes, and you can upgrade it as well. Friend, now you will be able to use this PDF editor, which is very useful and I use it often. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.